bag. So I've been experimenting a bit with shampoo. So I've tried the L'Oreal Dream Length Hair Care collection, and I've tried the Charles Worthington Grow Me Strong shampoo. I think both of them are fabulous, and the one I wanted to review with you today was the Loreal Elvive Purple Shampoo. So this is for kind of brassy, orange toned, colour treated hair that's got any sort of blonde in it. So it might just be highlights in brunette hair, or it might be fully bleached blonde hair. So I was so impressed with the L'Oreal Dream Length shampoo that I thought I'd give their purple shampoo a go. So I've already used this 3 times in the last 2 weeks. So it says use it once a week, but I've used it probably about every 5 days, and I think it's had wonderful effects on my hair already. I feel it's already really brightened it. Now I'm going to give my hair a wash and see what the results are. Directions for use are use once a week to complete your regular Elseve Colour Protection routine. Massage into hair and leave to 1 to 3 minutes. Rinse well, follow with the purple conditioner. It's got a sort of it's got a fruity smell to it. Make sure I concentrate on the ends because that's the bit that's particularly light in my hair. Lathers up quite well. Okay, I'm now going to leave this for 5 minutes and then give it a rinse before conditioning. Shampoo all done and rinsed. I'm now going to do the conditioner. It's not as bright purple as the other one. It's definitely got a purple tone to it. I think I'm concentrating mainly on the ends. I need to use a lot because my hair's long and gets really dry at the ends. Okay, I'm now going to give that 10 minutes and let the purple colour do its magic. So I'm all rinsed. I'm going to go and dry and straighten my hair, and we'll see the before and after. So considering I didn't brush my hair before I washed it, and it was full of hairspray and I'd curled it, so it was quite tangly, it's done a really good job at detangling my hair. Oh, it's so hot! So my hair is all dry and it is too friggin' hard to straighten it, but even without straighteners I think it's dried quite smooth and silky, and it's not kind of got any of those frizzy flyaways. So you can buy this for £5.50 in somewhere like Boots or something per bottle, but I actually got it on special offer. It was like get one half price or something like that, which makes it quite good value. I think I would buy this product again because it does do what it says on the tin.